Hello everybody and welcome to Easy Funnel System. This is Braden Chase and I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a demonstration today about how to build a members area and some of the pieces of members areas inside of Clickfunnels. Now this members area is very important if you are a course developer and you want to build those kinds of things. It's just absolutely central. So I'm going to do kind of a basic introduction, then show you some of the pieces, and then we'll go from there. So here this is the back end of Clickfunnels, and this is a particular funnel that I have. So I've got a squeeze page, a sales page, an order form, one-time offer page, order confirmation page, members area login, very important, and then the members area access. So this is where I am, and this is the area right now that you're seeing where I build that. So let's zoom in just a little bit. You can see it a little bit clearer in the video. So these are the pieces that we have. And this bar right here is a section. And inside of this section, we have lessons. And you can put as many lessons in here as you want of all your different things that you want to build. Okay? So these are all of those pieces. And with these lessons, you can have just as many as you want. As I've said before, right? I am a English teacher, so I have English teaching things. I made a lesson here, like this lesson, English Speaking Secrets ebook. If I click on this, I can close it, right? Get rid of it. Gives me this little warning up there. Yes, I want to delete it. Give it a second, it thinks, and then away we go. Okay, we've got our stuff. But this is not exactly what your students will see when they build it. So what they will see is something kind of like this. And I'll give you a proper preview at the end. But this is the membership editor. And that loads here. There's loading the editor. And these pieces look kind of like this. This is a very simple example, right? So this is the lesson piece. There's your title. That's the subtitle. Put some kind of an image here, and then download link, and etc. Right? You can put all the things you want in there. So the first explanation here is that you have green, which means it's a section. Then you have inside of that, you have blue. Blue, there we go, there we go, that's the blue. Blue is inside of a section, and that's called a row. Now rows, inside of rows you can have columns, so that's where you break things up into little columns inside of a row. But inside of a row or a column you also have elements, and those are orange. So you have green, see if I can do it here, right? Green, blue, orange. Those are the main those are the main pieces of a Clickfunnels website or a Clickfunnels page. Now, Clickfunnels, the point here and the key with all of this is the content that you're delivering is delivered in the easiest, most straightforward, practical way possible. So, for us who are not, heavily tech people, we don't like to code. There's no coding here, right? I just click on this. That's an image. Click on this, I want to switch the image. I pick that one, click, and there we go, my image is in, and I don't have to do anything else, right? It's that easy and that simple. And then I'm done, click save, and awesome. And then here, let's say this is my download document, I click here, and then I have set action. There's these little buttons in here. And these buttons can do all sorts of different things, but all I want is to download something. So I do a URL, and in my case, I'm usually using Dropbox links. So I'll have some kind of Dropbox link like this, where I put in whatever I'm playing with, right? HTTPS Dropbox, and there's the link to the thing. Okay, I can come back, or I can just click out here and that side thing disappears, save, and I'm done, and everything works. Exit, done. Okay, now what will our members actually see? So I had a hard time because I wanted to say, I want to preview my site. Where do I click to preview this? And I couldn't find it. It was kind of a pain. But it's actually over here. So if you come to the members area login, you have a little preview button here. You just click on that, and it'll show you the actual members area that we're looking at, okay? So, and like these colors, I don't like these colors. I'll be changing them in the future, but those are kind of the default. I can change it. But here's the picture I just built. English Speaking Secrets ebook. There's my cool picture. Download document. I click on it, and bam, here's my thing. This is what I attached, that file that I attached on there, okay? So it's nice, easy, straightforward stuff. Isn't that cool? I thought that was pretty sweet. So anyway, I just wanted to show that to you guys, particularly the preview. How do I preview my members area that I'm working on? And there you go. Okay, have a wonderful day, guys, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.